is hard, it is insane to place one love above another. But what a choice, and what a gift, and what a blessing! I could have never known that love like this existed. But then you kissed me and you left, and then I knew. But what is true is that we loved, and that I loved, and that I love, and I will always love. And love is always